Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you like seeing honest reviews on the latest home tech, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Today we are diving into the Shark RV2310 Matrix Robot Vacuum. This unit promises a deep clean everywhere with its signature Matrix Clean technology, which uses a precision grid pattern, making multiple passes to ensure no spot is missed on your carpets or hard floors. For homes with pets, this is crucial. The powerful suction combined with the self-cleaning brush roll, featuring power fins, is specifically engineered to dig out embedded dirt, hair, and debris while minimizing hair wrap. Navigation is handled by precision home mapping, utilizing 360-degree LiDAR vision to accurately map your entire home. This allows for methodical cleaning, object detection, and avoidance, day or night. You get full control through the Shark Clean app where you can set custom cleaning schedules, initiate Matrix Clean on demand, or target specific rooms or spots. It even supports recharge and resume functionality so it never leaves a job half done. Plus, for ultimate convenience, you can activate cleaning through voice commands with Alexa or Google Assistant. In the box, you get the Shark Matrix Robot, the charging dock, and one side brush. It's a powerful, smart cleaning solution designed for thorough coverage. Stay tuned for the deep clean test.